Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial, we would learn how can we insert currency in the numbers in Microsoft Excel. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, here we have a list of college and their fee structure. So here we have like 16,000, 16,500, 16,000, 15,000, 15,500 and so on. But we don't know either it's in dollar, in rupees, in Chinese currency or anything. So to insert the currency, we first have to select the cells, go to home and then select this in number group, select this $sign. As you can see, this whole number is converted into $sign currency. Now suppose if you want to remove this all, select it, go to home, and now in number group, here in this arrow just click here and no specification format, that is general, just click on it and this all will be removed. Now suppose you don't want to insert the $sign, then just select it, go to home and then just click on this small arrow and here you'll have more accounting formats and click on this symbol, this arrow, and you'll have this a lot of symbols here. Let's suppose I'm inserting here rupees and click OK. In Sanskrit, this all number is converted into Sanskrit currency in rupees. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.